Good day everyone, I am Kyle Angeles together with Edmar Suayan and Agilis Peregrin, and we will present our program name Likes.
The Java program demonstrates OOP concepts such as inheritance, method overriding, method overloading, and polymorphism. It consists of base class Suayan, which defines general-like method, and two derived class Peregrine and Angeles that override this method to provide specific implementations for their respective behaviors. As you can see here, we have our base class Suayan with method named like. Next is Peregrine class. This overrides and overloads our previous method from the base class. Then we have Angeles class. All this class does is just override the code in our base class. The Peregrine class also showcases method overloading by including an additional like string end method. The main class polyinherit contains the main method where instances of Suayan, Peregrine, and Angeles are created, illustrating how polymorphism allows for dynamic method resolution based on the actual object type at runtime. When executed, the program produces output that reflects the specific behaviors of each class, effectively showcasing the principle of OOP in concise manner.
In conclusion, this Java console program effectively demonstrates key object-oriented programming principles, including inheritance, method overriding, method overloading, and polymorphism. By utilizing a base class Suayan and derived classes Peregrine and Angeles, the program illustrates how specific behaviors can be customized while maintaining a common interface. The use of method overloading in the Peregrine class highlights the flexibility of OOP. Overall, this project served as a concise example of how OOP concepts can create organized and maintainable code, providing a strong foundation for future programming endeavors.